So, based on the evaluation criteria, no? Number 1 is the drills and ceremony. Kasama dito yung arrival honors, ceremonial parade, close order drill, and rank inspection. Out of 20 points, this ROTC unit garnered 20 points. Second is the ambush and raid scenario. Out of 20, these ROTC units garnered 18 points.
Yes!
For the basic life support, out of 20, 19 points. For the knot tying, out of 20, 19 points. Almost perfect talaga. For the weapons, familiarization. Sino yung ng weapons? Congratulations. 100%. For the map reading, theory and practical exercises, out of 20, 16.40. For the comprehensive exam on military knowledge, out of 20, 16 points. For the admin inspection, out of 20, 19.84%. For the commandant and staff evaluation, 100%. Overall total, gusto nyo nang malaman?
Yes!
Out of 200 points, you garnered 186 points.
Yes!
Equivalent of 93.12%.
Yes!
Out of 6 ROTC unit that we conducted, the NEMSU is 3rd place. Not snappy pa rin, no? Kadikit lang. Konting point system lang. So, once again, ladies and gentlemen, that's all. Thank you.